guys, it's November 30, 2025. Dito po kami ngayon sa Balajura Indoor Sports para makapaglaro si Javi. Meron po inflatable world. So tignan natin kung magkano, and then bouncy castle siya. Yun. Sa loob pala siya ng mall. Tignan natin. Merong Filipinas grocery store. Ooh. Oh, Philippines. Knickknacks. Curly tops. Stick-o. Tender juicy. Wow. Del Monte. So ito lang po yung binili namin. Ensaymada, calamansi, and balut. Yay! Update guys, wala palang bouncy castle sa Balajura Indoor Playpoint. So dito kami ngayon sa Crocs.
Is rude. Don't pay. It smells fresh. It smells fresh, but it's yucky. It's yucky smell. Have you the yucky smell? No. It's fresh. It's fresh, but it's yucky.
Hi guys, so nakapark na kami dyan na mag-aan tayo. Pupunta tayo sa Perth Mint. Maggagala lang si Javi. It's Wednesday. It's Tuesday. Anong oras na ngayon? December 9. It's almost 4 p.m. So, gala tayo guys. And marami ng hakarandas. Yan, yung mga purple na bulaklak. Ang ganda. Hakarandas. Ayan, oh. Ewan ko lang kung kita nyo guys. Pero purple siya na bulaklak. Come on. Let's go, my love.
But I'm
Gala tayo dito. See you later. Gala muna kami.
like, oh, hey.
Stare to stare. What's that, my love?
Yeah.
Your clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah, from Shein po. Clothes ni Javi. In order namin. Shein is murang, parang Shopee siya sa Philippines.
Go, 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 go. Hurry.
Diyan na kami umorder ng mga murang damit.
Ooh.
Yan, daming clothes.
Ooh. Open it.
Open it!
Which one?
Anything.
That one.
Look at this. It's a spider.
Mga sleepwear, socks,
It calls
and Spidey.
Spidey.
Yeah.
Paw Patrol.
Fake.
Nasaan na yung isa?
May pasabog.
Pro, what do you want?
Put it far away first. I want a three Spidey robots.
And then what else? What's
And 3 controllers.
3 spider robot and 3 controllers?
Yeah?
And then what else?
One bottom's the first one. The other one can fly, the white one. And the other one can electric to sweep. And the other one would rub the swing.
What else?
And I want something, and I want a control airplane, a robot airplane. I want a controller too.
But you lost your drone last time.
What?
Your drone was lost
Why?
last time. You want airplane naman with a controller.
Yeah.
What else?
That's all, Mom.
That's all. Okay. How about
Spidey cake.
how about your cake?
A Spidey cake with Spidey 3 candles. Get
What are the candles?
spin. Go Spider and Spidey.
And then what else?
With Spidey cherry and the spin cherry and the ghost spider cherry.
And then what else on the top? A blue?
Yeah?
A blueberry?
Yeah? And strawberries and cherries.
What else?
That's all.
Okay.
Let's take a selfie. Get the tank. Them lights on a bowl and feed them with water and put treats and bathing them with water. That's how I take care of pets. Should do that next year, okay, Dad?
No,
Why?
I don't know how to take care of pets.
But I'm gonna teach you.
Are you sure you're gonna wash their bum bum?
But it's too yucky.
See? Who's gonna clean up their poop? They
Nobody.
poop in the floor. Who's gonna clean it up?
Nobody.
But our house is gonna get smelly.
Smelly.
What pets do you like?
A cat.
How do you take care of a pet cat?
It's feeding them and playing with them.
And playing with them. How about throwing balls?
Yeah, like yawn balls or not yawn balls. I can just throw my ball to them.
And then what else?
If the ball goes fly away, I'm gonna get sad if the ball rolls fly away and the kitty runs fast to get the ball and she doesn't know which direction she goes. And the baddie's going to get pets
Yeah. What
and
if
turn good pets to bad pets. They're going to turn good pets to bad pets.
What else? What else do you do if you have a pet?
I just feed them and play with them. Dad, I know how to take care of dogs. I know how to take care of dogs.